In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove credit card from eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to safely remove a saved card with a few tips to avoid common roadblocks. First, head to eBay in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to the top of the page and hover over your name. This opens a quick menu with your profile and account options. Don't click anything yet, just hover so the full menu appears. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to your main account hub, where you manage personal info, security, and payment details. Take a moment to confirm you're on your own account page before moving on. Next, select Payments. Depending on your layout, this may appear on the left side or in the main list of account sections. Payments is the place where eBay keeps your wallet, including your saved credit and debit cards, bank accounts, and any payout details if you sell. Inside Payments, locate the wallet or saved payment methods area. Find the credit card you want to remove. You'll see options next to it. Look for Delete. Click Delete to begin removing that card. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm you want to remove the payment method. Read it, then confirm to finalize the removal. If you don't see a delete option or it's grayed out, that usually means the card is currently set as your default payment method, tied to a pending order, or required for seller fees or subscriptions. In that case, switch your default payment method to a different card or add a new one first. Let any pending transactions complete, and then return to delete the card. eBay often requires at least one valid payment method on file, especially for selling accounts, so making a quick swap can resolve the issue. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you're a seller, double check your payout and fee settings so removing the card doesn't disrupt charges or deposits. If you're a buyer, remember that removing a card won't cancel any existing orders. Those will continue as usual, but future checkouts will prompt you to choose another method. And if the card was lost, stolen, or expired, removing it now helps keep your account secure and tidy. That's all there is to it. Hover over your name, open account settings, go to payments, and click delete next to the card you no longer want. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your remaining payment methods so everything stays up to date.